Good morning, all of you students. I am fine and I hope you be fine at your home. Dear student, I would like to say you that today I am going to teach you English Literature lesson 4. In this lesson, we will read about poem Mr. Nobody, written by Walter de la Mare. First of all, we will know about word meaning of this lesson. First, mischief. It means that bad behavior that is annoying but doesn't cause any serious damage or harm. This is called mischief. Second, ajar. Slightly open. It means that थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ. Prithi, old English word for please. This word is used for please in English, old English. Next, damp. Slightly wet. थोड़ा गीला. Next, misled, misplaced. And last, tosses, throws carelessly anything. Okay, dear student, now we will read this poem. This poem is Have you ever broken a plate accidentally? I ask a question to you. Or dirtied the floor with muddy soil? Did you pretend not to know who had done that? क्या आप किसी चीज को, किसी वस्तु को तोड़ते हैं या फर्श को अपने सूज से गंदा करते हैं? In this poem, we read about this matter. This poem, written by Walter de la Mare, he described this matter in this poem. First of all, we will read first stanza of this poem. First stanza is, it says that I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Dear student, first of all, we will know about first stanza of this poem. Its meaning is, the funny little man mentioned in the poem is little boy, perhaps 3 or 5 years old. This is because A child within that age usually does not talk much, rather than making things that require them to learn. However, they often create trouble to people around them. Like in this stanza, there are great plates, but people tend not to scold them. बच्चे जो हैं वह छोटे बच्चे जिनका उम्र 3 से 5 ईयर्स ओल्ड है, वह बहुत सारे चीज़ों को जैसे घर में प्लेट है उसे तोड़ देते हैं, फिर भी उनके गार्जियन उनको डांटते नहीं, बिकॉज दे आर इन द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. दो पीपल नो दे डू इट, क्योंकि वे लर्निंग प्रोसेस में होते हैं, इसलिए लोग जो है जानते हैं कि वह वैसा कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम. T is he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our sides and scatters pen afar. That squeaking door will always squeak, for Prithi, don't you see, we leave the wailing to be done by Mr. Nobody. Meaning of second stanza of this poem is that the same thing happened mentioned in this stanza. The child creates another trouble in the house. Some of the troubles are the books have been torn, the buttons have been pulled out from the sides, and the pins are scattered. However, seeing that the little boy needs to learn, they leave the squeaking door to be oiled by the boy for him to learn. ज़्यादातर हम लोग इस उम्र के बच्चों को देखते हैं कि यदि वो सामने किताब पड़ा हुआ है उसे वो फाड़ देता है, और भी बहुत सारी समस्याएं वो खड़ा करता है, कभी शर्ट का बटन खींचता है. बट इन सारे चीज़ों को देखते हुए भी छोटे बच्चों को नहीं डांटा जाता है, बिकॉज वी नो दैट दे कैन डू इट. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दे डू. ओके, एंड next stanza of this poem, it says that he puts damp wood on the fire that kettles cannot boil, and all the carpets swell, the papers always are mislaid, who had them last but he, there's no one tosses them about but Mr. Nobody. Now we will know meaning of this third stanza. It says that within this age also the child may be doing something that may annoy some other people The examples are given in this stanza, such as which causes the kettle cannot be boiled, bringing the mud into the house and make the carpet soil, and papers are mislaid. People know that no one could do such things except for Mr. Nobody. इस स्टेंजा में पोएट ने बताया है कि बच्चे जो हैं वह गीले लकड़ियों को ला करके और डाल देते हैं, वो जलता नहीं, फिर वो चाय की जो केटली होती है वो उबलती नहीं है। इसके अलावे वो बाहर से अपने सूज में मिट्टी लगाकर लाते हैं और कारपेट को गंदा कर देते हैं, फिर भी लोग समझते हैं कि यह दूसरे का काम नहीं, यह मिस्टर नोबडी का ही काम है। एंड fourth and last stanza of this poem, the finger marks upon the door by one, none of us are made, we never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade, the ink we never spile, the boards that laying round you see are not our boards, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. Dear student, meaning of this stanza is, it says that however, though people like Mr. Nobody is quite troubling, they need to be directed and to be taught the meaning of the life. ये अभी जीवन के मीनिंग को समझना चाह रहे हैं, मीनिंग को समझ रहे हैं, बाकी चीजों से ना समझ हैं। Not to forget, they become like that because they are in the process of learning. सभी लोग जानते हैं कि अभी लर्निंग के प्रोसेस में सीख रहा है। Therefore, we as adult or people that are older and already matured must show a good talent for them to follow the right role model. For example, in this stanza, Mr. Nobody does not know the meaning of privacy, which he lets the door and the curtain open, leaving the boards in the right place and spilling inks. Dear student, I think that you understand this poem. You read this poem many times and you remember this poem. It is your homework. Okay? Thank you.